Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll explore Course AI reports. To begin, navigate to the Report section, select Course AI reports, and then choose Engagement. Here, you'll find key statistics such as indexing status, the number of enabled captions, total questions asked, unique members participating, the average questions per member, the percentage of questions the AI couldn't answer, and the last time the report was used. Within the first course, called Creator's Blueprint, you can view a list of members along with the number of questions each has asked, and you also have the option to review their chat interactions. By clicking on Top Questions, you can see which questions have been asked most repeatedly, helping you identify the most common topics or concerns. You can also filter the data to view engagement statistics from the last 7, 30, or 90 days, giving you flexible insights over different time periods. Next, let's look at indexing health, which has two sections, failure and stuck. Failure indicates that the AI was unable to understand or process the question correctly. Stuck means the AI was unable to pick up or start processing the video. This can happen for several reasons, such as long loading times, missed video detection, unclear transcripts, or processing timeouts. For each item in these sections, you'll see a retry option. Selecting retry will trigger the AI to process the content again, giving it another opportunity to successfully index and analyze the video.